Hello again, my name is Cameron, and today I'm going to be showcasing an older experimental project of mine in which I tried making something similar to an old mobile game named Mini Squadron. So this game was pretty much a two-dimensional side-scroll dogfighting game, like planes, airplane dogfights, and it inspired me so much that I had decided to make something similar to it and implement some of the features that were in the game. So let's go ahead and unpause this. So you can see we have our airplane right here and a nice like particle trail behind it. And then we're able to turn, and I'm using a gamepad to control this right now. And then we also have these enemy planes right here. So the enemy planes will shoot at you, and they will either follow you or sometimes they'll do like a loop in the air, and then yeah, they'll fire at you. And then also you can also fire upon the enemies as well. So if we go ahead and start shooting, you'll see that the smoke widens, and as it takes more damage, the smoke darkens, and then you can see fire coming from the plane. And then once you shoot it, again, the plane falls to the ground and blows up. And so I kind of want to continue working on this project. I stopped a good while ago working on the project because I had other stuff to work on. But yeah, looking back at this was really fun to make, and I think this is something I want to continue work on. The last thing I ended up working on with this project was implementing the pretty much when you in that mobile game, the map wasn't infinite. So when you got to the walls, it would turn you around just like that. So that's like the last thing I had worked on, that I remember working on at least, um, was where the wall would turn you around like that. So yeah, that is about it. Thank you for watching.